way!
Yeah, they're putting together this panel to talk about these fossils they just found in Peru, and the Discovery Channel is going to film it.
Oh my God! Who's gonna watch that?
Looking at future deals.
We.
Yes, we. He asked me if I could help him put together some ideas.
Why?
That'll show me. So, I spent the whole day putting together this proposal, and tomorrow I'm going to tell President C.
Hey, wait a minute, this one's not dirty.
Well, it is when you put it together with that one.
Oh. Well, if you don't clear this off, you won't be getting one of those from me.
In English phrasal verbs we will learn the verb, put together. It means 1. To assemble or connect the parts of something. Examples: it took 3 days to put the puzzle pieces together. IKEA sells cabinets that you can easily put together. 2. To make or create plans or a meal. Examples: let's put something together for the 4th of July. Mom's in the kitchen putting together the food for your luncheon tomorrow. 3. To position something or someone so they are close to each other. Examples: don't put Jaden and Leo together in the same group because they won't get anything done. We should put 2 tables together for the card game. Now, let's see how put together is used in real life.
And I put together some numbers and...
The world's most boring liquid and the world's most boring vegetable, but you put them together and...
Deals.
We.
Yes, we. He asked me if I could help him put together some ideas.
Why?
To have a baby is that if they take my sperm, her egg, and put it together in a dish, and then put it into another...
So, I spent the whole day putting together this proposal.
Things that we can do, we just have to put our heads together and figure it out.
What the hell do you think I've been doing all goddamn night?
Tried to put together in junior high, but I was short 2 friends.
What is it?
So what are you doing? I'm putting together a little scrapbook of how Lily became ours. You know, her adoption certificate, some pictures of her from her village.
Yeah, they're putting together this panel to talk about these fossils they just found in Peru, and the Discovery Channel is going to film.
Hey, wait a minute, this one's not dirty.
Well, it is when you put it together with that one.
Oh.
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.